you have to reset the printer. Because another term for the service required is the reset, guys. So when the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. Click OK. Now, if you have encountered this error, so one thing you must do is you have to reset the printer. Because another term for the service required is the reset. Okay, so first thing first, you have to download the resetter of the printer model that you are going to reset. So in my case, I have here Epson L120. So, and I already downloaded the resetter. So this is the resetter. Then let's click this one. Then select the port, Epson L120 series. Then click OK. Then go to particular adjustment mode. Then from there, click this one, wasting pad counter. Okay. So after clicking that one, so click this one again, main pad counter, and then this is where you reset the printer. So let's try to initialize. So when the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. Click OK. Alright, so it says here, please turn off the printer. Okay, so our printer, let's turn off. So let's go back to my laptop. So we've already turned off the printer. So it says again, please reboot the printer, or please power on the printer. Okay, let's power on the printer. So as you observe, the blinking lights, all the alternate blinking LED lights has gone. So meaning the error was already cleared. So after click OK here, okay, let's try to get the status. So it says here ready to print, so meaning the error was already cleared, and now you can resume printing. Okay,